Hi everyone, I'm Ishani and I'm a student of Political Science at Miranda House, University of Delhi.
Hi, I'm Prashali and I'm also doing Political Science Honours from Miranda House, University of Delhi. Now the thing is how we came to know about Hope in You in the first place. So I remember a year back, Hope in You came to our college to conduct a workshop. And I remember exactly why I was so attached to Hope in You in the first place, because it talked about the fundamental issues which we generally shy away with.
And it was very interesting because whenever you talk about these issues, people usually say how much more empowerment do you need? And Hope in You did not shy away from these questions.
And we volunteered for Hope in You in FemLens. So this was the session where we actually started talking about things that affect us at core, and we also were a part of the Chase for Dream. Now the question is how we came to know about GRIP. I remember we were back at our home and I was desperately waiting to get out of my home, and on one fine morning I get a text from Priya where she sent me this mail about GRIP, which is basically a grassroots level program that works for rural development.
I came to know about GRIP through Poshali, and I just needed an excuse to use my tickets back to Delhi. So I was very excited about it, and because I worked with Hope in You, Poshali also thought it would be a good idea to give me an opportunity to apply for it as well.
But it was when we entered the whole scenario of the village did we realize what we are blessed with. So honestly, had it not been for Hope in You and GRIP, I don't think we could have ever realized the importance of leadership skills, because working on a totally different environment altogether with different set of people, we tried to understand what we are good at, how much we need to develop ourselves, and the inner journey. I think that is something which came out beautifully.
And the fact is, like I'd said, Hope in You works with urban issues. At the same time, Hope in You gave us an internship with GRIP, which worked with rural development. So, we had an exposure to both urban and rural issues and the challenges, which are unique in both cases, that came with them.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the impact of the entire thing is not just short-lived. When you come out of a scenario or when you come out of an ambience, you tend to lose on those facts or you tend to lose on those experiences. But I'm very glad that the things which I learned there are still applicable. Right now, how I think, how I lead, how I plan. I think that entire thing started with Hope in You, which was again, enshrined by GRIP altogether.
And the skills that we received were not just professional in nature, which is the best part.
Exactly.
So we learned how to reflect and how to grow personally, individually, as human beings, which is, I think, very important, because unless you grow as a person, you can't grow professionally as a worker either.
Right. What I have experienced personally, I think that is something which every youth should go through. Probably not Hope in You, probably not GRIP, but in some way or the other, they must know what is their latent potential. And I think that can only come up with if you have something to, facilitate, or you have facilitators like these organizations.